All right, here's a tutorial on how to use the user details. So you can click on somebody by aiming your ray at them, use that blue click
Ouch.
to click.
Ooh.
And from here, you can mute them, you can add them as a friend, you can wish them a happy birthday, and then you can
I'm
also
50.
you can also change their locomotion. So right now Lance is on continuous, but if I wanted to change him to teleport, I would just switch that. You can also edit his tunnel vision, the labels that are on his controllers. You can turn those on and off. If he's having any issues, just send logs there. Also, if he's a little too short or too high, you can give him a height boost or lower him down. If you you can also give him a toggle survey. And then if he's can't hear and he's having any audio issues, go into your menu and hit debug. So right now it's off. I'm going to turn it on. So above him, you see the green. If he was having any issues, you could switch his mic off and then on, or you can restart his voice. So those are how to use the user details. Thanks,
That's
Lance.
right.